Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add supports in Bambu Studio. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, what we are going to do is we will import our model into it. So 3D file into the workspace. I will go here to File at the top left corner, then Import, and import 3MF, STL files, and so on. So right here, I have my model. Needs to load up. All right. Now it's over here. All right. Now look at the left hand settings panel and click on the support tab. So we have support tab right over here. Uh, Now what you need to do, check the box at the top labeled enable support. So if you don't have it, just click here on enable support. Now click the type drop down menu and choose one of these options here. So we have normal, uh, creates traditional vertical grid columns or walls, and we have three, creates three branches that curve up to hold the model. They print faster, use less plastic, and snap off easily. Choose your style. So we have here auto and manual. Now you can also use here a filament for support, so you can select support raft base and you can select which filament you would like to have here, and the same for support raft interface. Also, we can also create set here the threshold angle, and yeah, this is pretty much how you can create supports quick way. Now what you need to do is just hit slice plate right here at the top right corner. It will take a few moments, but after that we will see here some supports. And as you can see right here, uh, next to the head, right over here, we can see this tree right here, and below this belly right here we have also the supports. All right, and this is pretty much it, how we can add supports in Bambu Studio. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next